Ndereti konainie na ugai wa kigina gia thirikari kuringana na wingi wa andu igicagira hanene ari kwaramia mwatuka uria uri ho gatagati ka atongoria gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya. Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua akionekana kuhutatirwo kumana na murugamo wake. Riu mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Raila Odinga niamukanitie ndeto-ini ino. Akiamukira riboti ya maria makinyanirio mucemanio-ini wa LIMURU 3, Odinga niageire kiene aria marakuruhania ndereti ino na uthutukania wa icigo imwe, we akiuga hena bata o gicigo kiamukire kiria kimagiriire.
It is not a question of discrimination. We want to ensure that each and every Kenyan get a fair share of resources created by our sweat.
Odinga ugite wathani wa matura ufatie gufashirira wigananu hari ugai wa kigina gia thirikari na njira ya kurongoreria wingi wa andu icigo-ini.
Wale ambao wanapata waendelee kupata yao, lakini sisi pia tupatiwe na national government ile ambao wamekatalia kule juu.
And the duplication of devolution or devolved functions should stop, and those resources should follow the functions at the devolved level.
I know that it may not be very popular in some quarters, but let us have this conversation. As a people, let us have this conversation.
Uyo ni umwe wa maundu maria mendekithitio riboti-ini ya BBI. Odinga agikurana ni ndereti ikuraraka atongoria kuma icigo imwe no kuringana nake ti KIHOTO ciana imwe ikorwo ikiamukira kigina kinene gukira iria ingi.
It cannot be right that some children should get more money as bursary than other children in other parts of the country. And I think this is a conversation which, if we have it openly, in a open dialogue, we'll be able to convince majority of people that this is the right way to go.
Atongoria aria maneanire riboti ya LIMURU 3 matongoretio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni na makinyiriirie gwakiriria ndereti ino makimenereria aria makoretwo makiuga mucemanio wa LIMURU 3 warongoragiria o mabataro ma muingi kuma kirima-ini.
We do not suggest and cannot possibly suggest that for resources, more resources to go to the region commonly known as Mount Kenya, that you must take them from elsewhere.
So those who have been thinking that we went to LIMURU to discuss issues at the exclusion of other Kenyans, that is far from it, and that is why we would want those who are now harboring the issue of 41 against 1 within UDA to know that they are really mistaken.
Ona gutuika Odinga danaheana murugamo wa ngwataniro ya Azimio wegie mendekithia ma watho wa kigina ma mwaka wa 2024-2025. Raila niamenereirie mamwe ma mendekithia watho-ini uyu akiuga ni makuhatiriria a Kenya makiria.
Know that Kenyans are hurting seriously currently, and the proposals which are contained in finance bill are going to add a lot of burden on the people of Kenya, and that's why I'm going to speak about that separately.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.